Last year, my parents spent 15,000 rupees on a tutor for my math and science subjects. This year, I'm using AI instead. And honestly, I'm scoring better than I ever did with my tutor. Here's exactly what I did, and how you can do it too. First, let me be clear. This isn't about disrespecting tutors. Good tutors are amazing. But not everyone can afford 15,000 rupees per month. I couldn't. So I found a free alternative. Step 1. I replaced my math tutor with ChatGPT plus Wolfram Alpha. Here's how it works. When I have a math problem, I first try solving it myself. Then, I ask ChatGPT to explain the concept in simple terms. If I need the actual calculation, I use Wolfram Alpha. It shows me step-by-step solutions. The best part? It's available 24/7. My tutor used to come twice a week for 1 hour. Now I have unlimited tutoring whenever I need it. Step 2. I replaced my science tutor with Claude AI and YouTube. When I don't understand a biology or chemistry concept, I ask Claude AI to explain it like I'm 10 years old. Then I watch a YouTube video on the same topic. Combining AI explanations with visual learning? That's better than any single tutor. And it's completely free. Step 3. I use Notion AI to organize everything. My tutor used to give me handwritten notes. Now, I create my own notes in Notion, and the AI helps me summarize them. It creates study guides, practice questions, everything I need. All organized in one place. Step 4. I use Quizlet AI for practice tests. My tutor used to give me homework. Now, I upload my notes to Quizlet, and it auto-generates flashcards and quizzes. I test myself every day. My tutor only tested me once a week. This is way more effective. Step 5, and this is important. I still ask questions when I'm stuck. But instead of waiting for my tutor, I ask AI immediately. I get answers in 10 seconds, not 2 days. That means I never fall behind. The results? Before, with my tutor, I was scoring 75 to 80%. Now, with AI, I'm consistently scoring above 90%. Why? Because I have unlimited access to help. I can ask the same question 10 times if I need to. A tutor will get annoyed. AI doesn't care. And here's the best part. My parents saved 15,000 rupees per month. That's 1,80,000 rupees per year. We used that money for something more important. And I'm still learning better than before. Now, I'm not saying everyone should replace their tutor. If you have a great tutor and can afford it, keep them. But if you're like me, and 15,000 rupees is too much, AI is a genuine alternative. Here's what you need. ChatGPT for explanations. Free. Wolfram Alpha for calculations. Free. Claude AI for complex topics. Free. Notion AI for organization. Free. Quizlet AI for practice. Free. YouTube for visual learning. Free. Everything I need. 0 rupees. Try this for 1 month. See if your grades improve. I bet they will. And if your parents are spending thousands on tuition, show them this video. Maybe they'll save some money too. Comment below. Are you using a tutor or AI? Let me know which subjects you need help with, and I'll recommend the exact AI tool. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy. We're testing every AI tool so you don't have to. See you in the next video.